Good morning. Don't look at my room. It's Monday morning. This is kind of an exciting week because I'm not working much, which means I have to obviously be productive. I have to use this time to get ready for everything that we're doing in the next few months. Me and Locke and Archie are moving to Perth and we're driving there. So that's like part of the reason why I started vlogging. So we can look back at this time, I guess. And so mum and dad and like all my friends and stuff can watch us move and stay in touch and see what we do. And hopefully do some cool tricks in Perth and like go camping and stuff. That's what we want, and snorkeling. That's the idea, is to just live over there for a bit and be near the beach, be able to live in a city where I can get a graduate job and be near the beach. That's the goal. So the next 2 months we're going to be organising all of that. We have nothing lined up. Anyway, future me problem. All I can do right now is go la 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 and clean my room because I'm just a girl. So, okay, that's enough of a spiel, surely. I called the vet because I booked Archie to get his teeth cleaned. $1 bajillion. So next week he has a haircut on Tuesday and is getting his teeth cleaned on Wednesday and he has no idea. Sorry. And I've got laundry on already and I'm going to change our sheets and just like boring stuff. So I'm going to set like a 40-minute timer and just smash that out. Look at the day today. It's such a nice day. Look at the lawn. Go to the lawn. I just made breakfast and forgot to vlog it, but ta-da! All organic, of course. Still doing the cleanse. Yeah, this is the chocolate cake I made. It's awesome. It's really good. It tastes like it almost tastes like it was made on almond meal, which I've done before. So it's the same sort of vibe. So that's good. It's so yummy. I'm just about to start editing last week's vlog, so the one you've already seen. I just air fried some pumpkin and put some goat cheese on top as a snack. And I'm still just downloading all this footage. So awesome. That's on for 25 minutes. And now I guess I'll just freaking pack all this up. Ta-da! I do love something sweet for breakfast. I almost forgot that I've got to start cooking dinner because we're slow cooking. Okay, I'm gonna put some, this is warming up, I'm gonna put some ghee in the thing. Then I'm gonna chuck this puppy on. Put some some chili, paprika, ginger and cumin. And garlic, a can, and then sear it, and then turn it onto the slow cooker. Put in a can of this, probably some water, a couple of teaspoons of the bone broth, and make like Mexican beef, and it's to make like Mexican beef, so we can have like bowls, Mexican bowls. It's just past 11. I'm just gonna have lunch now so I can go out and about. This is lunch. I made aioli with avocado oil and egg yolk. Okay, I'm dressed. And we are going to Spotlight. Hopefully just Spotlight. Does Spotlight sound like card paper? I feel like it doesn't. Where do you go for that? It used to always be like the post office or like news agency, then like card and stuff. Because I don't want to go to Spotlight if I don't have to. I feel like I should. Maybe a $2 shop. Where's a good $2 shop? Anyway, I'll figure it out. This is the shirt I up-shopped last week. Can't tell if I like it or not, but I'm just leaning into it because it's on now. I'm already done. Well, semi-done. I feel there's a news agency here. so I could just get everything. But I went to the $2 shop, and then we do a little haul because obviously I got stuff I wasn't supposed to. So I am making mum a card because for like all our big birthdays, mum makes us like a big like A4 open card, and every side of the card is covered with different like photos of us of like different stages of life. So I'm gonna make that for her because it's her 50th. So I'm getting Dad to send me through a heap of photos, and so I just was looking for like stickers and like paper and card and stuff to make it out of and put on it. So I got these little palm tree ones. I got some letters so I can write happy birthday. I got these little sea creatures, adorable, on theme obviously, and then stuff I didn't need but I got. Look at these little charms, they're kind of cute. And then I got Archie a toy because I feel bad for him because he's so matted, so I got him a new toy. And then I also got the card there to make the card out of. And now I'm just gonna go to the op shop. There's a couple, oh, I wonder if that one's open. There's 2 op shops right near me, so I'm gonna run to them now and try and just get like some old magazines to potentially cut up for like just like pattern paper. But yeah, so I better go. Okay, I've just gone into the Salvos and I think I'm done. Now I'm gonna go to Flannery's because I had a bit of success. I bought 3 coffee table books. This one's like about plants, this one's about the ocean, shocker, and then this one's about sailing. So surely I like page through them and it looks like there's some pages I can rip out for that, and then I'll keep them too because they're good ones. Oh, there's just a man walking past. And then they had like beads from a bead shop closing down sale. So I looked to see if there were any that Mum would like, but there wasn't. But I got these. You can see, colourful, so you know, my vibe. I got this like black leather, this like black leather, just like a stock standard thing. And then I got 3 of these sort of things, and it's just like random beads, which looks like they need a bit of like a wipe or a polish, but they're cute. So yeah, that's what I got. And then I'm going to Flannery's, into my water bottle. Now I'm going to Flannery's to get coconut yogurt and more, what's it called? The sweet stuff, monk fruit powder, and maybe some more eggs over there too. So yeah, dinner's cooking. I'm all over it. Once I've done this, I'm going to take Archman for a walk because he's ready for it, I think. What's this? I gotta cut the tag off. What is this? Got it? Got it? Got it there? This is what I got from Flannery's. Okay, I gotta flip this bit of meat over. This is cleanse friendly sour cream, which is perfect. I've said the words. So, got a blast. Let's go! We just made dinner. That's the brisket that was slow cooking. It's really good, so that's nice. And then we made these like wrappy things with coconut flour and psyllium husk. Lockie's turning his into like garlic naan again because he liked that. And hey guys, it's Wednesday and I've just done my 1 shift of the week. Who's that, Archie? Who is that? I've done my 1 shift. Now it's like nearly 1 o'clock, and Mum's just pulled up. Who is that? Who is it? And Mum's just pulled up and we're going, oh no, my battery's now dead. And we're going up shopping, which is so exciting. I'll vlog on my phone. But yeah, come on. I'm gonna cut it. Again, I'll cover it. I feel like Spotty's rice. I'm just making wannabe tortillas for our Mexican. And some avo. And then this is me flattening and the brisket that I cooked yesterday. You're interrupting the vlog. Good morning. It's Thursday, which means it's beach day. You'll never guess what I'm doing. I'm gonna make myself a coffee. I'm having a freaking coffee. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this dog in the car and then get everything else I need to get and get his harness on in the car. Come on. Bye. Oh my goodness, that's so exciting. This is the milk I got. It's organic oat milk. It's got organic sunflower oil in it though, so it's not like the best. Well, I'm not supposed to be having oats. I'm not supposed to be having oats anyway. I just freaking tipped my coffee out because I didn't think I liked that oat milk. Like, it wasn't as exciting as I thought it was gonna be. And I want to say it's because it had no sugar in it. Maybe. So now, I don't know if I should have... Oh, I just put this window down. I don't know whether I should have like a normal milk coffee or just leave it. That's kind of really upsetting because I was really excited to have it. So, oh my goodness. We made it to the beach. Good boy. Let's go. Get off my towel! Hey! Whoa! Are you serious? Perfect. You can sit over there, and I can sit over there. And you cannot come anywhere near me. Oh. Definitely ran away from me. Only a little bit. Look how pretty. Yeah! And I don't know if you see, there's also rails. There. Ah, that was a good one. It's 11 o'clock, heading home. Archie was getting a bit restless and it was getting a bit cloudy, so perfect timing. And I'm gonna sit in bed and I'm gonna start making Mum's birthday card and I'm gonna watch a movie. I just wanted to let you know that I've decided that I bought milk and I'm gonna have milk. Apparently I was looking at like the Cleanse Facebook page and apparently like a good raw milk is supposed to be better, but this is the best I could find at Woolies. Organic milk is better than like oats and stuff because that affects your gut more. So hopefully start making a fucking coffee and I'm so excited. I just realized I didn't print all the photos, so now I have to go back to Kmart. Yeah. Hey guys, It's Friday morning. It's 10:30, so it's not really the morning, but just been finishing making Mum's card this morning. Lockie actually took the day off work just because. So we've been hanging out a bit, and now I've just gone to Spotlight to get some stickers to finish off her card because the ones I had were no good. So I'm going to finish it and then go to Officeworks and get it laminated. I'm just assuming I can do that there. I've never done it before. And then I also went to Jabino's this morning and got her a cake. So I'm also going to try and pipe on, oh no, please don't look at me, sir. And try and pipe on like a 50 onto a cake because I got this little snozzle. So yeah, wish me luck. Gonna do that. And after I go to Office, I'm also gonna do some more groceries, of course, because we have to do groceries every third day. But yeah, so I'm just gonna try and do this. Oh, it looks so good. Just imagine that looks really good. Sorry, but I kind of slayed that. Adorable. It's nothing, it's nothing.